Hello, Assalamualaikum, and welcome back. So today we are going to continue with our PdPR session. Still we are in Unit 4, Celebrations, and you are with me, Sir Amirul. Okay, now we are going to start with the first activity. So for this activity, let us listen, read, and fill in the blanks. Okay. So for this PdPR session, we are going to focus on reading skills and to test your understanding. Okay. Okay. Now, so this is the worksheet that I have given to you. So for activity one, we are going to do this worksheet. Okay. So you are going to fill in the blanks. Okay, based on the story that I am going to play the audio later. Okay. So you can refer to your student's book, page 46. So in that page, we have this story. Okay. So first, you need to listen to the audio played by your teacher, and I want you to read along. Okay. So as you are listening to the audio that I'm going to play, I want you to read along on your own too. Okay, next, you need to fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Okay, so if you can see in the worksheet here, okay, you have quite many blanks. So you fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay, so to fill in the blanks, you can refer to the story and you find the missing words, and then you just write the words in the blanks. Okay, next, for the exercise at the bottom, you tick the best title for the story. Okay, so in the worksheet here, if you can see, there are three titles given. Number one is Omar's Day by the River. Number two, The Wishing Fish. And number three, The Fish and the Sheep. Okay, so you choose the best title for this story. Just tick one only. Okay, this is the story in your student's book. Okay, you can open your student's book, page 46. Now, I'm going to play the audio. So, you listen to the audio and read along. Okay, let's start.
1. Read and tick the best title for the story. Listen, read and check your answers.
Omar lived with his family on a small farm. His family worked hard, but he didn't like working. One morning, Omar went to the river with his new fishing rod. He waited and waited. Then something pulled on the line. He pulled it out of the water.
Ugh, what a big fish,
he said. But the fish wasn't an ordinary fish. Omar caught a wishing fish.
Please let me go and I can make your wish come true,
said the wishing fish.
What do you want?
Wow,
said Omar, and he thought about his wish.
Make all the sheep go away so I never have to work again,
Okay,
said the wishing fish. And with that, it jumped into the water. The next day, it was very hot. It didn't rain for many days, and many sheep died because there wasn't any water. Omar's father said,
We've got no more wool to sell. We haven't got any money.
Omar was very sad.
This is my fault.
He said,
I have to go catch the wishing fish again.
Okay, so that was the audio of the story. So I hope you read along. Okay, so now you can start by doing the first activity. So you write the correct words in the blanks and then you choose the best title for the story. Now let us move to the second activity, activity 2. So for this activity, we are going to do two things, which are put the pictures in order and also write true or false. Okay, let's look at the activity. Okay, now this is the worksheet that I have given to you. Okay, so there are two activities here. First activity, you have the pictures, and second activity, you have the true or false statements. Now, you refer to the story in activity 1 again, and then you put the pictures in the correct order by writing numbers from 1 to 4. Okay, so you have 4 pictures here. Picture A, picture B, picture C, and picture D. Okay, so you write the numbers from 1 to 4. So which picture you think is number 1? So you write number 1. Which picture is number 2? You write number 2. Which picture is number 3? You write picture 3. And which picture is number 4? You write picture 4. Okay, these are the situation in the pictures. Okay, if you look at picture A, this one is picture A. So Omar released the fish. Okay, this is for picture A. And then next you look at picture B. Okay, picture B, Omar caught a big fish. Okay, and then picture C. Okay, so in picture C, the fish pleaded to Omar to release it and told him that it could make his wish come true. Okay, so this is the situation in picture C. Okay, and then picture D. Okay, so the situation in picture D is Omar told the fish to make the ship go away. Okay, so he told the fish his wish. Okay, so make sure for the activity you write from number 1 until number 4 based on the order from the story in activity 1. Okay, now for the next activity here, the next exercise, okay, you read the statements given. So you have altogether you have 6 statements. Okay, and then for each statement, okay, you write T if the statement is true or F if the statement is false. Okay, you read the statement first. For example, here I take number 1. The wishing fish wasn't big. Okay, is it true or false? Based on the story that you have read just now. So if the sentence is true, then you write T. If the sentence is false, then you write false. Okay, so that was the exercise for this activity. Now moving to activity 3. So here you are going to write the causes and also choose the best summary. Okay, this is the last worksheet that I have given to you. So there are 2 exercises too. Okay, we look at the exercises and how to do them. Okay, still you are referring to the story in activity 1. So based on the story, write the causes of the incidents given to complete the sentences. Okay, so here you have 2 sentences. Okay, so there are 2 incidents. Number 1, many sheep died. Okay, in the story just now, there were many sheep died. Okay, number 2, Omar's family hasn't got any money. Okay, so Omar's family hasn't got any money. This is the incident for number 2. Okay, so here I want you to write the reasons. Okay, the reasons or the causes why these incidents happen. Okay, why many sheep died in the story. Okay, why Omar's family hasn't got any money anymore. Okay, so you write the reason why many sheep died, because maybe there is no food or there is no water, the weather is hot. Okay, and then Omar's family hasn't got any money. Why? Okay, You write the reason. You just need to write only one reason. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, for the second exercise, so you read the summary given. Here you have two summaries, A and B. Okay, so you read the summary. Okay, and then you choose the best summary that can be used to summarize the story and color, A or B. Okay, so as you read the summary here, okay, and then you read the summary in B, and then you choose which one is the best summary that you can use to summarize the story that you have read just now. Okay, so if you say A is the summary of the story, then you color A here. Okay, if you say B is the summary of the story, then you color B here. Okay. Okay, so those are the activities for the lesson today. I hope that you can finish the activities and we meet again next week. Okay, Assalamualaikum and good luck.